If you want to feel lighter and healthier, but you don't know where to start, then this video is for you. What can you expect in this course? I'm going to break down a few of the common types of content that I'll be sharing in this group to help you live your best life and feel amazing and do all of that while barely changing anything. So we will be focusing on both theory and practical. So I will talk a lot about mindset and different tips and tricks, ways of seeing veganism and eating plant-based and mindset shifts that can help on the journey, and basically the theory behind how to make this process as easy as possible so you can have all the amazing health benefits and mental benefits and emotional benefits without having to put in a ton of work. And then on the practical side, I will also be sharing recipes, grocery hauls, tips and tricks for cooking different types of foods, and I would love to also help you veganize some of your foods. Where I'm going to give you an exercise soon where you'll share some of the foods that you most commonly eat, and then we can work on figuring out how to make those plant-based in a way that you enjoy and in a way that feels like you're not really doing much and it's pretty effortless. So yeah, there will be voice notes with trainings, and I might even do some more not spiritual but esoteric stuff. I don't know, we'll see, with meditations or tapping sessions, but yeah, we'll see about that. And then I'll share what I'm eating, recipes for some of my favorite easy meals, as well as exercises. I'll give you some exercises to do, very easy, quick exercises that can help you on your journey. And then sharing templates as well. I love sharing templates because then you can apply it to your own life, grocery list templates that you can apply to the food that you would normally buy, and recipe templates and meal plan templates. And we'll also cover nutrition. We'll talk about how you can make sure that you're getting all your nutrients and covering all your bases. And there's a really cool way of looking at your plate. It's called a balanced plate. We'll get into that as well, which is a quick hack for kind of making sure that you're getting all your healthy fats and your carbohydrates and your proteins and all of that. So we're going to cover all your bases. You're going to have everything you need in this group to guide you on this journey, no matter how fast or slowly you're taking it. I will have your back. You can always come on here and ask questions as well. We'll be doing Q&A sessions as well. I'll be answering questions. And it's going to be this awesome community where we can all just chat with each other, share what we're making, what we're cooking up, and having lots of fun in the process and feeling amazing and clear and full of energy and life. And it's great. It's lovely. This was a sneak peek of the Effortless Vegan course that helps you look and feel your best without giving up your favorite foods or changing the way you eat. If you would like to check out the full course for free, then click the first link in the description. And if you decide to sign up before the end of January, you'll get 80% off for life. Enjoy!